Hello, friend! Let's remember what kind of construction equipment we know about. Excavator, tractor, concrete mixer, truck crane, Hello, friends! Let's greet all of our new racers today. We have an excavator, tractor, concrete mixer, and crane. Today, you're gonna get to see a real battle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Up, and here comes the first obstacle. Ooh, it's pretty hard for the excavator. Here comes some cones up ahead. Ooh, look! The crane is taking the lead. Go, go, go! Ooh, take a look at the tractor, though. Don't lose your balance. The excavator is so slow. Oh, no! Here comes a very high hill. Let's see how our racers can overcome it. The excavator is so slow. Oh no! Meanwhile, crane is passing through the cylinders. Concrete mixer is up next, and tractor goes third. Oh yeah! next obstacle are the cubes. Whoa, tractor! Look out! But here come the pyramids. Here's the finish line, and the crane is the first one who crosses it. Hooray! Oh, concrete mixer is the second, and tractor is the third. Don't worry, excavator. You tried your... Hello, friend! Today, we're gonna build a new residential district in our city. That means it's gonna be filled with houses, just like the one you live in. Let's think about what are the useful and necessary construction and building equipment we already know about. There's the excavator. Look at it dig. It can just tear up any ground. Boom! Wow. This crane has such a long arm, and it can pick up just about anything. So much stuff, and then it dumps it all right out where it needs to be. Whoa. The concrete mixer is so cool when it spins like that. The little tractor has so many uses, moving, dumping, and even pushing heavy things. Then there's the road roller. Everything gets flat beneath it when it rolls. Squish! While the flatbed truck brings the materials from far, far away to help us build everything we need to. And finally, the absolute biggest, the monster, the truck crane. Whoa, I can't believe how huge it is. It can move absolutely anything. Swoosh!
Hi friends! Today we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of the tasks we need a mining bulldozer. Let's assemble the mining bulldozer and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the foundation of our carrier bulldozer. On each side we fasten the tracks. They will be needed to move over uneven surfaces of the carrier. Done! Next, we're setting the dashboard with the steering wheel and the driver's seat for the bulldozer. And all of this we're placing into the cab. So, the cab for a driver of the mining bulldozer is ready. And now it's time to install the engine. And then the hood, which protects the engine and other elements of the engine compartment of our mining bulldozer from the negative impact of the external factors. But carrier is an unsafe place, so let's set the protection on top of the cabin. Lights, pistons, and rear hooks. And finally, and most importantly, the bucket of our mining bulldozer. The mining bulldozer is ready! A mining bulldozer is a very big machine. Height of mining caterpillar bulldozer is 16 feet. And the length is 41 feet. The weight of this monster is 142.5 tons. It weighs almost as much as the biggest animal, the blue whale. Due to its caterpillars, the bulldozer can even drive through the most hazardous surfaces. Just look! A mining bulldozer has a large capacity. This mechanism is used to transfer a huge amounts of soil at the short distances. In order to ensure continuous work of the powerful excavators and heavy-duty trucks in quarries, a bulldozer is needed. Its task is to keep the big areas and roads around the excavators in a working condition. Hi friends! Today we are working in a quarry, and to accomplish all of our tasks, we need a truck crane. Let's assemble a truck crane and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the frame of a truck crane. We fastened 9 pairs of wheels to it. The first pair. Second one. The third one. The fourth one, the fifth pair, sixth one, seventh one, eighth, and ninth pair done. Now we have to attach a cap for the driver. For good stability of our truck crane while working, we will assign 4 retractable supports. Now we need to install the rotating platform. We then fasten a second cabin for the truck crane operator. It will be needed to control the boom of the truck crane. The most important part of the truck cranes is the boom. We fasten the main boom to the rotary platform. In order for our boom to be able to become even longer, we will fix its sliding parts. The truck crane has 3 of them, the first part, the second, and third, and at the end of the boom we will hang a large hook which can be used to lift anything. Finally, we will install the pistons. And our truck crane is ready! The truck crane is a huge machine, but it differs from a normal crane, so that it can move on public roads because of the boom's ability to be closed into itself. Let's prepare the truck crane for its job together. And now we will prepare the cabin for the crane operator. We will pull the footing of the truck crane. Alright, we have 4 supports, so the crane has become much more stable and will not fall over. Due to the high load capacity and the wide variety of boom systems, it can be used in many situations. Construction of the truck crane is designed for very small time provisioning. The truck crane has a very long boom. When it is put together, our crane could reach the roof of a 7-story building. And when the boom is taken apart, the height of the crane is as big as a windmill. Incredible! Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently all of these houses were under the construction and each of them was built with the help of a tractor. But to work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Tractor is a very big machine. It has huge tires to drive even through the off-road. Let's assemble the tractor together. First, let's take a base frame of our tractor, to which we will attach all its components. A driver's cab and an engine will also be attached to the base frame. Next go the wheels. Tractor has wheels of 2 different sizes, small front wheels and big rear wheels. And now let's attach front wheels, on the one side and on the other. Next go the engine, without which our tractor can start to drive. Now let's attach a hood. It protects the engine from ingress of water and dust. Tractor is ready. This machine is strongly needed at every construction site. But what is the job of our tractor? we attach a bull blade to our tractor, it can replace a bulldozer. If we attach a trailer to our tractor, it can replace a truck. But tractors are necessary not only at construction sites. If we attach a snow brush to the tractor, we can clean the roads in our city. Hi friends! Today we are working in sand quarry, and to accomplish all the tasks we need a mining dump truck. Let's assemble a dump truck and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the base of mining dump truck. We'll fix the wheels to it. Front wheels, and double rear wheels. Now we need to install the seat and the dashboard for a dump truck driver. All of this we put in the driver's cab. The peculiarity of the dump truck is its body, which topples during unloading. So now, let's set the cylinders and pistons for raising such a body. And now the lights, front and rear ones. To make the driver be able to get inside the cabin, we have to install the ladder. And then, we make the fencing for the workers' safety. Also, for the maximum safety of the dump truck drivers, we set the rear view mirrors. Finally, and most importantly, the body of the dump truck. Ready! Mining dump truck is a very big machine. Just look at the size difference of the mining dump truck and the construction dump truck. A simple dump truck is 3 times smaller than the mining dump truck. And how small does a car look compared to the mining truck? Unbelievable! Just imagine, the size of the mining dump truck is similar to a 3-story house. The mining dump truck is considered the largest machine in the world. It isn't a joke! The length of the world's largest mining dump truck is 51.5 feet, width almost 29.5 feet, and height about 26.2 feet. And this monster weighs 237 tons. These machines usually work in tandem with powerful excavators and loaders and are used for transporting ore, coal, and other bulk materials from quarries on specially paved roads. Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently all of these houses were under the construction and each of them was built with the help of a dump truck. But to work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Dump truck is a very big machine. Its main feature is a body, which is being dumped during unloading. Dump truck consists of several parts. Let's get them out and assemble the dumper together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, dumper can move. We will need dumper's foundation to set the wheels on it. 2 front wheels on the one side and 2 front wheels on the other side of a dumper. Now, let's move to the rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on the one side and 2 couples on the other. And now, let's attach the cab for a dumper's driver. This is a body. Let's attach it to our dump truck. In the body, dumper carries all loads. The last part has left a gas tank. This is a container to store gasoline. Dump truck has 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Dump truck is ready. Let's see how it works. Dump truck is needed at every construction site. It can carry debris, sand, ground, crushed stone and many other things. Dumper can help to deliver materials to the construction site, even to the impenetrable places for the short time. Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crane. But first, we need to assemble it. Let's assemble the crane together. Crane needs the chassis to move around the construction site. Let's attach 2 wheels on the one side and 2 on the other. What's next? Crane needs a good support to not to fall while working. Let's attach 2 of them on the one side and 2 on the other. Like this. Now, let's set the cabin where a driver will sit. Now, we need to set the rotary platform with a cab on it. All control of the crane is taking place in this cabin. The most important thing in a crane is a boom. Let's attach the base of the boom to the rotary platform. It consists of 3 parts, and at the end of the boom, let's hang a large hook to lift the loads. The crane is ready. What does our crane make at the construction site? A crane is a machine the construction site can't function without. Imagine how difficult it is to lift heavy bricks and large reinforced concrete panels, of which our houses are built. A man cannot do it, but a crane does it easily. When the crane arrives to the necessary place, it exposes its supports. This way the crane becomes much more stable. And here is the cabin where crane operator sits and controls the crane. The crane operator pulls a lever, the mechanism starts to act, and the work begins. He pulls another lever, and the boom becomes longer, and now it can reach the roof of the house. Crane operator pulls the other lever, and the rotary platform comes to action. The crane is very important at the construction site. Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently there was still a construction site, but none of these houses have been built without a concrete mixer. To work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Concrete mixer is a machine for making concrete mixtures. It is also very needed for transporting the concrete itself. When it's moving down the road, the drum is rotating and concrete doesn't congeal. Concrete mixer consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, concrete mixer can drive. We will need a foundation of the concrete mixer to attach the wheels. One front wheel on the one side and one front wheel on the other side. Let's move to rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on one side and 2 couples on the other. And now let's attach the cap for concrete mixer's driver. This is a drum. Let's attach it to our concrete mixer. In the machine's drum, concrete is carried. Only this way concrete will stay liquid and will be useful at the construction site. To fill the drum with concrete and water, we will need a funnel and a ladder to help constructors fill in the drum. The last detail has left, a gas tank. It's a container for storing gasoline. Concrete mixer has two gas tanks, one on each side. Concrete mixer is ready. Let's look how it works. Concrete mixer is necessary at every construction site. Constructors fill its drum with cement and water. Now we need to mix it well. For the construction purposes, concrete is poured into the molds, and then constructors wait till it hardens. Let's look what figure has turned out from our form. Look, it's a train!